What's up, guys? So we're hopping in the white truck now. We're on our way to the parts store. They're going to give us a new battery for the one I have. So pretty excited about that. But I want to show you the white truck because I feel like this does not get the love it deserves on this channel. I have to make like a one-on-one video of this when I get some downtime this winter because got some pretty cool stories to tell. But I'll see you guys when we get back. Well, there she is. I'm going to throw it in the truck and start it up and let it run a little bit and then take it for a ride. All right, she's started up. Now, eventually I'm going to come back out here, maybe some sort of heat gun, and take this decal off. It's got to come off. It doesn't fit anything anymore, unfortunately. And just going to use a jack handle, put it in here, and just kind of bend up that upper lip. I'm not going to really film that because there's not much to it. It's as simple as that. We are destroying, and it's okay, I need to get new tires anyway, but we are destroying these tires. And back to our regularly scheduled program. Let's get a W in the chat for the fact that we have some new bumper brackets. That gets me pretty hype. I think I'm gonna go lay this down in the grass just so it doesn't get all scratched up on the face, and install the brackets, and we'll get this on the truck. I gotta cut off that plate and the corner lights, put them all back on here with the license plate. Oh boy, I'm so excited. This is gonna look so sick. I will say though, for the day I drove it around, it's actually not atrocious. Like, nice. It wasn't atrocious to drive around like this, but with the chrome bumper, it's just gonna look how I've always dreamed. So I'm so stoked. So cool enough, I may have some extra, but the bolts that hold on the doors actually hold up the bumper brackets to the frame, which is pretty sick. I think I'm gonna put on the front lip while I'm here, and then I took the lights out to put those on lastly. But once I do all that, it's gonna be all on. Ooh, I'm so excited. Well, that was way more of a project than I wanted it to be, but now all I got to do is get my corner light back in, my grill on, and the lights and plastic vents in place. I ended up having to unbolt it from the brackets, get the brackets on, and then tighten it to the bumper. It was not fun dealing with aftermarket parts on, I mean, who knows if the frame had ever been bent a little or what the stories could be, but it's on there now. Hopefully the fitment isn't too whack, and I can get everything back together. And it is beautiful. Took a lot of work, but the full-on chassis swap has been completed. I have a bunch of small things to do now. On my own time, I'm going to try to peel those graphics. Rolled the fenders a little bit, went for a drive, and it was definitely better. But this is just, like, outstanding. The last thing I actually need to complete is the shell, a little clamshell. And I'll take off the bungee cord and zip ties to see if the JB weld held for the blinker. And if it did, put my clamshell on there. It's going to look a little funky, but as long as it's there, then I have to make a plate for the inside. But, I mean, 99% complete so far. I actually couldn't have asked for any better results. Little walk around. I mean, I cannot believe this truck is this now. Like, it's so insane. I literally made a video maybe about a year ago, talking about my 4x4 Nissan Hardbody, and this is where it's at. A lot of little things to do. Like, you can see the panel gaps. I mean, I got a lot of work to do. But I'm gonna take this bungee cord off and see if there's any difference. See if it's all good. If the JB weld held. I mean, I think it did. So we'll peel the zip tie off too, and things will be looking pretty good. It just keeps getting better. The gift that keeps giving. Now I have to trim down this block so I can use my blinker where it makes contact. So still got a lot of work to do with this, but we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, I got my clamshell here. All I'm going to do today is just try to get this fitted on the truck. So I'm going to trim down the square just so I can actually make a functional blinker. And then on this side, I might have to trim this up just a little bit, maybe a little far back, just to get this fitted around it so it looks half decent. So as far as fitment goes, we have something that just covers up the majority. Big hole right there. This is, I have more of these, but the problem was we have a metal bracket right here, which could be cut, yes, but this wouldn't line up center to get this on. Obviously, the clamshell should be fitted after, so worst comes first, I cut out another bottom that's a little bit longer. Or I might come back and maybe try to fiberglass this up if that would make sense. I mean, I don't know, whatever it would take. Once I have this screwed together, though, it'll be a lot better than just fully exposed. And even on this side, like, I mean, beside you guys that watch the channel, you're not going to notice the big spacing and stuff. I mean, it's a good attempt. And like I said, we can fiberglass it up later and kind of mold our own shape into it. You know, I might run this straight back or do something really cool with this. Like I said, wrap it with some sort of material. Right now, our blinker is so awesome. I'm super happy with that. Maybe I didn't need to cut out that much, but it doesn't really matter to me right now. And lastly is just fitting the wiper. So probably not highly recommended, but we do have this in here. It's a little tight. Just gonna have to watch for chafing in the future, but there's some tape around it. I think it'll be completely fine. Now I just gotta try to test fit this again, cut out any excess, and screw it on. Well, hey, that's not as bad, you know. When people look into the truck, they're not gonna see all that big wiring mess anymore, which is pretty sick. A little tight on this side for whatever reason, and I won't be able to put a little piece of trim right here unless I notched out more of this. And for now, I'm just going to call it good. Guess I could also lay a screw back here. I just have a 2 holding it in for now, but pretty happy with that. It's been kind of sitting in my mind at night when I'm laying down. I'm like, oh man, I gotta go finish that. So a couple little things, gotta tuck some wires. I don't know, it's okay, I'm happy with it. Well, the shifter surround doesn't look great, but it doesn't look atrocious either. I mean, it's just there in place. Held it down with some self tappers. Well, last ever clip with the decals. I'll see you guys after. All I'm using is a torch, just getting it kind of hot, being really careful and peeling it off. There's still an outline, but at least it's all black. Hi, there she is, boys and girls. No decal. See it faintly in the sun. Yeah, you can see it right there, but I mean, I don't know. Sun hits it just right. It's all black anyway. I don't know. Looks like tiger stripes or something going down the side of it, but that's okay. We'll figure it all out later. Right now, I am just hype to see it all black, and it is beautiful in the sun right now. Today, we are finally cruising over to our first car meet. It's like the end of the year in the I still don't know what to call it, 97 4x4, no longer 4x4 two-wheel drive, on a 91 frame build. I don't know, it's too much of a mouthful, but we're going in the Lowrider build. I'm excited to see what shows up. I'll see y'all there. We got the 240 rolling through. We got the lifted Ranger. I gotta park this next to the Hardbody. That is a sick clip. Got a cool little AA on bags coming in, rolled through squatted. I'm curious if he's got some aftermarket bags set up. So dope, dude. Laying it right out. But that's a lot of lift, so I don't know if there's still the factory 8.8 bags. Regardless, super cool. We got Ramy rolling through. And up OC. We got the E36 over here. Nice black leather interior. It's such a sweet car. We got Dom's 760 turbo Volvo wagon. What up? What up? We got the AW11 MR2 pop-ups up. This is a 24 Volkswagen GLI. And then Remy, how are you doing this fine day?
All right.
His folks see right there. Robbie Hayden rolling in. Got the 8.8. What up? We got the Civic EK hatch. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's nasty. Hey, huge W. Peter got both his cars out here. It's a 1950 Ford with a 24 dropped on a 2014 Mustang chassis. And then over here, you got the 1949 Mercury, also Coyote swap. Well, this one's Coyote swap. That one is, like I said, chassis swap. So insane cars, and Hype Heat was able to get them both out here. That is a beautiful sounding square body. I love this orange Mustang. We got our friend Alan rolling through in the LS supercharged Camaro. Oh, this is so sick, dude. We got the beautiful black C10 on American racing wheels. Ooh, a 69 Z28. Amazing. Oh, no way. Green Roadrunner. That is beautiful. We love to see it. Also, we're gonna take you guys through a walkthrough. Okay, so we have this super sick, it says it's a Ford Ranger with the splash graphics, lifted up, nice little 4-wheel drive, step side as well with a visor. We got the Hardbody on wires here. And then we have Gabe has been building this insanely beautiful Subaru. I don't even know where to begin with this. Little Impreza, I imagine it must have been the WRX. He just debadged it. His wheels are nasty. He lifted it up a little bit out of the roof rack. He's even got like the rally style headlights in the front. That is amazing. We got Liam's truck right here. He's been building this. He used to have a little Audi. We got the school bus over on this side, little shortened up bus that we love to see it. This is pretty sweet. Got a nice little 302 V8 swap. Ranger. That was I was like mid-film that one. That one made me jump. Oh, dude, quad tip exhaust. This is clean. A little better look at some of these cars. Big block, man. Oh wow. The detail that goes into this too, like this paint is just flawless. This is cool too. I like the bench seat with the little center console that comes out just for the driver. Look at the orange Mustang. Nice wing. Al's Camaro. I can show you underneath the hood of this thing now. So sweet. LS7. Super clean. 350 C10. The white interior in the C28 just caught me so well. Custom seats, I believe, in this as well. Man, this is nasty. You know, end of the season, but it's always cool to see a nice turnout like this. Oh, it's a cross ram air intake too. That is sick. Ooh, I love those wheels, the 3SDM wheels. JD's green G35. Nice aired out Infinity. What's up, bro? Good to see you. Get a little walk down. Nice C4 Corvette. Oh, those headlights are beautiful. Obviously on the inside, but they look so clean. Manual too, red on red. Nice aired out WRX. What up? Hey, we got Corey in the house. That makes me so hype. We're gonna do a little more walking around. We got the 3 mid-engine cars there. The black truck posted up. Don't look at the side. You got the big dent. Oh, so sick, dude. I don't know. It's a good meet for a good warm day right before winter hits. Gonna come walk around the Sylvia nose swapped 240SX with the SR20 DET. We got the 2JZ, obviously Supra. Right-hand drive. Ooh, he's got a roll cage in the back of the GT350. Oh, the taillights, everything about this car is so sick. It's even got the little seat belts that come up when you turn the key. All right, guys, in the long-awaited moment, long-awaited video, we're gonna go for a quick ride with Corey in his twin-turbo 300ZX. Wow. Have a good day, bro. And I'm excited. And we got Liam's bag Minitruck out. I didn't get any footage.
I can turn around if you like.
No, it's okay. I've just been running around trying to film what I could. So we're in the car now, and wow, it's actually insanely smooth. I think that's like the first best thing is the car is wicked smooth, like comfortable. All the shifts and everything like are just you don't even feel it. This is so nasty. And T-top's off, of course. Oh man! Wow, that's got some serious pull, man. Jeez. So this was I don't know if you know, but like this car was faster than some of the Ferraris at its time, wasn't it? Yeah, like that's.
This was designed to compete with the C4 Corvettes at the time.
Wow. That's super cool, man. Nissan just came out of the woodworks to just create such an amazing piece of machinery.
It also has some of the more luxury features. This one doesn't have it, but they also came with digital climate control, the projection headlights. Like how many cars in 1990 had projection headlights?
Wow.
It was pretty limited on that.
Yeah, this car was very advanced for its time, actually.
It was also one of the first vehicles designed using CAD.
Wow.
I think it would be.
Well, all right, everybody. That's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for checking out this mini car meet and whatever other shenanigans we've been up to. But super excited this truck made it to its first meet, even if it was at the end of the year. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see some more car content. Peace out.